Hello everyone, this is Matt Hoots with Sawhorse, and at the International Builder Show this year I ran into a company from Taiwan called NuStone, and they agreed to send me some of their products so I could try it out on some of our projects, some DIY projects, and also some of our construction projects. So I've got the package here, came in from Taiwan, and it was a little bit tough getting it here. We had it sent to our post office, and for some reason it got sent back to Taiwan, and they were nice enough to send it back to us again. And again, amidst this COVID-19 crisis, we had a tough time getting it from the post office. But, you know, through our heroes of the post office, we did manage to get it, and now we have it here. And we're going to unbox it now so we can see what we have in here in this package. Got a double layer of plastic. And I'm assuming there's some liquid contents in here, and I believe they said they sent me some samples as well. All right, so the first thing we have, oh nice, lots of samples in here. So it looks like they've sent us some product and also some methods of applying the product. So they sent us a roller, and these are things that we're going to use. So they've got different products. Some of them you can trowel on, some of them you can roll on, and they're going to look like granite and different types of natural stones. We've got a roller, got a trowel. They've sent us this nice sprayer. So I guess there's some spray-on products as well. And we have lots of samples of their NuStone. This is a granite stone coating. This is going to look like granite. And I'm assuming some of these products have to mix together. This is some more of the granite coating. We have, this is part of the stone coating, but you have to roll this on. It looks like different applications here can go on differently. This is marble. And this is the base coat, so it looks like this is what we have to put on first. We also have some samples here that they sent over. It looks like this is cement. These are their cement boards. So let's open these up real quick to see if these are what my product is supposed to look like once I install it. All right, so what do we have here? So it looks like these are just base cement boards for us to apply the product so we can have our own samples. There's nothing on these yet. So these are great for if we're looking at different types of combinations of the products to show our clients to see what they can look like. So we've got that. We also have a catalog here from NuStone, called Spray Your Own Stone. And I was pretty impressed with this when I saw it at the International Builder Show. It looked like real stone to me. So the fact that they came with a product, and say if you have a stucco house or some sort of commercial application or a basement and you want the walls to look like granite or some other sort of natural product, but you don't necessarily have the room to stick a thick stone on there or the budget for that matter, then this is a great alternative for that. It looks like we have some samples here. These are really nice, and some of these I can't wait to try out and see what they look like. It looks like we have a bunch more catalogs in here. Oh, look at this. We have some actual samples from them. So this is what the product is supposed to look like once I try it out myself. So this one, these are some of the granites. And if I wasn't flexing it like this, you couldn't tell that this wasn't granite just by looking at it. So this is flexible granite. And here's another one, it's a little bit lighter. I like this one, has some different gray tones in it, also some amber tones. And again, this one has some more peaches and other types of colors in it. That's a nice dark one. And what I like about this is it doesn't paint on just like a granite. It also has a texture of granite. So like if you have a granite that hasn't been honed or hasn't been polished yet, that's what this is pretty much like. So it looks like these are the the spray-on finishes, and these are, looks like the troweled-on finishes. And so these are to look more like marbles because the marble shows the veining versus some of the granites. And so the first one has a nice red. We've got one that, a nice light marble. That's probably pretty common what you're going to see out there in the marketplace with the other marbles. This one's a little bit different. I like some of the colors that you have in here. This might be good for a backsplash. This one looks like a red base coat with some black on top of it. It looks like these are the troweled on finishes. We've got a couple more. It looks like these are the rolled on finishes. So you've got different ways of applying this. You can either roll it on, you can trowel it on, or you can spray it on. And once we identify which projects that we are going to try these on, we'll show you how to do each of those and how you can do it in your house or in your business. That's with the rolled on. Now the rolled on ones do look nice, and I guess there's benefits to each of those. The troweled on ones, you can create more of the veining that you're going to see in a natural product. The rolled on does give you a nice consistent look from what I can tell here. And same thing with the spray on. The spray on is going to give you a different texture that you're not going to get from the rolled on ones. We've got one last one, and it looks like this might, I think this might be one of the troweled on versions, just the way it looks. And here we go. All right, and that's it. So we've got these nice samples, and we'll take some close-up shots of these samples so we can share them with you later. Oh, wait, I've got more. I've got a part here. I have no idea what this part goes to. I'm assuming it goes to the sprayer. It looks like it does go to the sprayer. It looks like this is an electric sprayer. The instructions are in Taiwanese, but I'm going to just follow the instructions here in the manual and apply it and see how it looks. And these are some of their solutions, looks like for commercial. So this whole building looks like it was a stucco building at one time. They sprayed it on with this granite finish. It looks like it was carved out of granite. Nice granite panels. I got 2 or 3 of those. Let's see what else we have here. So this shows the spray-on applications and what those are like. And so these are, we'll dive into these and take a look at these. And so what we're looking from you is we have different projects that we are going to try these on. And we'd like you to give us your feedback in the comment section of what you would like to see and how you would like to see this applied. Again, we've got a limited amount of product here, so we need to make sure that we apply these to finishes or products that actually are going to look nice, and we'd like your feedback to see which ones that you would like us to try it on. All right, see you next time. Thanks again for watching our video, and for your convenience, we've loaded up the next video. Just click on the next button over there. And also, if you liked the video and you want to see more just like it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the notifications, and we'll see you next time.